last topic I really want to talk about related to urinary incontinence would be diet. I have many patients that tell me that they notice certain foods or drinks will aggravate their bladder symptoms. There is truth behind this. The bladder typically does not like anything that is very acidic. Increased acidity irritates the bladder lining and makes it want to expel or get rid of whatever is inside of it. Foods such as tomato sauce, spicy foods, artificial sweeteners, citrus foods, caffeine, or alcohol are all examples of foods and drinks that can cause bladder irritation. My only problem with this list, and I will often tell patients or clients, is that this is very similar to a medication side effects list. When you get a new medication and read the side effects, it says you may have one or all of these symptoms when taking this medication. This is how it is with diet in the bladder. You may be bothered by some, one, or all of these foods and drinks. I have some patients that do terrible with citrus foods but do okay with artificial sweeteners. I have others that do okay with spicy foods but can't have caffeine. Everybody is a little different, which means it takes a little give and take on your part to see if you can determine which things may or may not be upsetting your bladder or irritating your bladder. The other thing I will often recommend to people when it comes to diet is that if you do want to have something to eat or drink that you know is an irritant, try to drink water at the same time that you're having it. If you go to dinner and have a glass of wine, but wine is bothersome to you, then drink a glass of wine and sip a glass of water at the same time to help decrease the acidity and keep a better pH balance of your urine in the bladder. The other thing I will recommend is that you avoid incontinence issues and urgency from bladder irritation by watching your combination of food irritants. So if you're going out to dinner, you may not want to order the citrus dessert, spicy main meal, have a caffeinated beverage, as well as an alcoholic beverage, all within the same meal. You may want to watch or space out when you have some of these items, and that can often help to improve your bladder irritation or incontinence related to your diet.